وإذ قلتم يا موسى لن نصبر على طعام واحد فادع لنا ربك يخرج لنا مما تنبت الأرض من بقلها وقثائها وفومها وعدسها وبصلها قال أتستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير اهبطوا مصرا فإن لكم ما سألتم وضربت عليهم الذلة والمسكنة وباءوا بغضب من الله ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون النبيين بغير الحق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون.
And recall when you said, O Moses, surely we cannot put up with one sort of food, so pray to your Lord to bring out for us what the earth produces, its herbs, and its cucumbers, and its corn, and its lentils, and its garlic, and its onions. Then Moses said, will you take a meaner thing in exchange for what is better? Go down to some city, and there you shall get what you ask for. And ignominy and wretchedness were pitched upon them, and they were laden with the burden of Allah's wrath. This was because they denied the signs of Allah and slew the prophets unrightfully. All this because they disobeyed and persistently exceeded the limits of the law.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
Whether they are the ones who believe in the Arabian prophet, or whether they are Jews, Christians, or Sabaeans, all who believe in Allah and the last day and do righteous deeds, their reward is surely secure with their Lord. They need have no fear, nor shall they grieve.
وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ وَاذْكُرُوا مَا فِيهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ.
And recall when we made a covenant with you and caused the Mount Sinai to tower above you, saying, hold fast to the book that we have given you, and remember the directives and commandments in it, that you be pious.
ثم توليتم من بعد ذلك فلولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لكنتم من الخاسرين.
Then you turned away from your covenant, and had it not been for Allah's grace and mercy upon you, you would have long been utter losers.
وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْتُمُ الَّذِينَ اعْتَدَوْا مِنكُمْ فِي السَّبْتِ فَقُلْنَا لَهُمْ كُونُوا قِرَدَةً خَاسِئِينَ.
And you know the case of those of you who broke the Sabbath, how we said to them, become apes, despised and hated.